Mastering website analytics is key for growth, but getting started can be overwhelming. Begin by creating or signing into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the web platform for your website container during setup. The container ID is your unique identifier. Carefully copy this for later use. Now, access your website's file structure via your WordPress dashboard, navigating to the theme file editor under Appearance. Within the editor, locate and select the theme header file. The header file controls your website's header. This is where the GTM code will go. Google Tag Manager provides two code snippets that need to be added to your site. Copy the first code snippet, designed for the head section, and paste it directly after the opening head tag within header. Copy the second code snippet, intended for the body greater than section, and paste it immediately after the opening body tag. Double check that you've placed the code correctly, then save changes by clicking the Update File button. Congratulations! Your Google Tag Manager installation is now live. Verify the implementation using a browser extension like Tag Assistant. Start tracking and analyzing website performance.